Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing data and software so nothing stalls. First, make sure AutoCAD Map 3D or Civil 3D is installed because they handle geospatial data. This lets you maintain coordinates. Once done, open Google Earth Pro and zoom to the area you need, then save a KML or KMZ file. Also confirm your drawing units and coordinate system in AutoCAD Match Earth's datum to avoid scale and placement errors. Now import is ready. Move to bringing that KML into AutoCAD. You import the KML using the map import command. Choose KML/KMZ as file type so geographic features come in correctly. During import, make sure you set the source coordinate system to the same datum used in Google Earth, because mismatched datums shift your geometry. Once entities load, use AutoCAD's geolocation or align command to snap features to known control points if precise placement is required. This step preserves scale and attributes. If polygons or images look off, recheck units and datum and re-import. You finalize by converting or cleaning up imported layers. Explode KML features carefully into native polylines or blocks and assign layer names and line weights. If you need the Google Earth raster, export imagery from Earth Pro and use image attach, then crop and set transparency for overlay clarity. Make sure to save a copy with geolocation enabled. If something goes wrong, the single most effective troubleshooting tip is to recheck and match units and coordinate datum. Most misalignment problems start there, so
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.